Hi student, here we will learn about a elimination method. This is one of the method to solve the pair of linear equation and to find the solution. And the algorithm is just a 3 steps. The first step is multiply each equation by a suitable number so that the two equations have a same leading coefficient for any one variable. So multiple with any suitable number except 0. The number should change the equation to the same coefficient of the same variable. The step 2 is add or subtract the equations so that one variable get eliminated. So if you add or subtract, because the coefficients are same, right, by multiplying the number, so that that variable will get eliminated. If you change the x coefficients are same, then x will be get eliminated, or y, the y will be get eliminated, and solve it for the other variable. If x is eliminated, and solve it for the y variable, then you will get an y value. Then you solve. Then as usual, the previous method, we will find a solution for the another variable. Substitute the value obtained in the previous step. So in the previous step, you will be getting a value for any one variable, either of the original equation. So substitute that value in the original equation and solve it to obtain the value of other variable. So if you solve the one example, I think you can understand, you will have a clear idea. So let me take this example, this problem. First check whether it is in the correct form. So in the elimination method, just you write a variable in the left hand side and constant in the right hand side. So I will rewrite this equation as a variable in the left hand side, and I will take this constant in the right hand side. It will become a plus 4, and here the variable have to move to the right hand side. So this equation will become a 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So let it be the equation 1, equation 2. So first is we have to multiply a number so that the coefficient have to be same. So let me consider the x. So we have to multiply any one number with this first equation and any other number with the second equation. Both the coefficient have to be same. So here is the 9, here is the 3. So just multiplying 3 by the first equation, it will change to 9, right? And the second equation, we no need to multiply anything. That means multiplying by 1. So both the coefficient will be the same, right? So for first equation, I am going to multiply with the 3. So it will obtain a 9x. And second equation, I am going to multiply with the 1 to remain the same. Clear? So any number except the 0 you can multiply. So now multiple 3 for throughout this equation. So 3 into 3x is 9x minus 3 into 5y is 15y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Right? Next 2 into 1. So if we multiply with 1, then we will get a same. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So this is the first step, right? We have to multiply each equation by a suitable number. The number can be chosen according to the coefficient given in the equation. So now the second step is add or subtract. It will get eliminated. So if you subtract this 9x and 9x will get eliminated, right? So while subtracting, the sign will change for the second equation, right? While subtracting. So 9 minus 9 is 0, minus 15 plus 2y. Minus 15 plus 2y. So 15 minus 13y is equal to, here 12 minus 7, it's a 5. Right? And what is the value of y? So y is equal to 13 will come division. It was a negative 5 by 13. So this is the value of y. So once we get a value, then we can substitute in either of this equation. Let me substitute in the first equation. I will write here. Substitute y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 3x minus 5, instead of I will substitute here, minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. Now we simplify, we will get a value of x. So the 13 and 5 can't be divided, so we will multiply. So if you multiply, it will become 3x, minus into minus is plus, 25 by 13 is equal to 4. So now take this constant to this side, it will become a subtraction. So 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13. So 13 into 4 is, so 3x is equal to 13 into 4 is 52, right? 52 minus 25 by 13. I will solve here. So 3x is equal to 52 minus 25 is 27. 27 by 13. 13 table 27 will not be cancelled. So we'll take a 3 this side, it will become a division. So x is equal to 27 by 13 into 3, and 3 and 27 can be cancelled for 19. 9 3 is 27. So x is equal to 9 by 13. This is the x value. Clear? So first thing, the main thing is we have to choose this number wisely. How which number if you choose, the coefficient will become the same. You can try for x or else for the y. So here's the next problem. We'll solve this equation with the elimination method. So first change to the normal equation, that means change the fraction, cross multiply and take to this side. Here the LCM is 6, so multiple 3 here, it will become a 3x plus here multiple with the 2, so 4y by 6 is equal to minus 1, that is 3x plus 4y. Division if it goes, that's multiplication, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Let it be the equation 1. The equation 2, here the division we have to take an LCM. 3 here is a 1, so multiple into 3, so 3x minus y by 3 is equal to 3, and take to this side, it will become a 3x minus y is equal to 9. Let it be a equation 2. So now we have to change the coefficients of any same, right? You can notice that here already the 3 and 3 are same. Just by subtracting we will get, right? We don't need to multiply anything, that means just multiplying with a 1. So equation 1 is the same and equation 2 is the same, just we are doing the subtraction. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. So by subtracting it will be changing the sign, minus plus minus. So 3x minus 3x is 0. 4 plus 1 5. 5y is equal to minus 6. Minus 9 is a minus 15. So y value is equal to minus 3. 5 3 is a 15, right? So now substitute this y value in either of the equation. Only just 3 steps. The first step, the coefficient you want to check. If it is there, after changing it, just you add or subtract, you will obtain a value for an equation. Then you substitute this in any of the equations. Substitute y is equal to minus 3 in any of this equation. Let me try in equation 2. So equation 2 is 3x. 3x will be as it is. So minus y, instead of the y we have to substitute 3 here. So minus is for this equation and y value is a minus 3 is equal to 9, right? So 3 into 3, minus into minus is plus, so 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 3x is equal to 3, if goes there it will go subtraction, so 9 minus 3 is 6. 3x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 2, right? That's it. So here we go for the word problem. The sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9, and also 9, this number is twice the, once again the question is there are 9 times. So 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So first we have to assume what is the x and what is the y. This is sum of the 2 digits. So let me take first digit as a x and second digit as a y, but we are not supposed to represent as a xy or yx. Why? It is like a multiplication, x into y or y into x. So there is a difference between, if you need to number 6 to 62, it is not a 6 into 2. If you get a value for x and y as a 6 and 2, if you write it is like a 62, but here this is class like a 6 into 2. So let me expand. How will you expand this number? Expansion 60 plus 2, right? The same way. So this the x and y will expand like an, let me take an y and x. So y into 10, that is 10y plus x, right? So 1's place I took as an x and 10's place I took as an y. Clear? clear why I didn't took for x y, because x y means it means x into y. This is a 2-digit number. In the expand form, it is a tens place plus ones place, unit place. So like that. So let digit at the unit place. Unit place is the ones place. Ones place be x and tens place be y. So the number is, that's what here. The number is 10y plus x. This is the number. So now we are going to solve. So what is the first condition? First condition is sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of 2-digit numbers. 2 digits are x and y. We consider if we add, it will be the 9. What about the second condition? 9 times this number is, so 9 times this number, the number is 10y plus x, right? So 9 times 10y plus x is twice 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. So digits we are reversing, this means swapping. So it will become a 10x plus y. Just we are swapping. So the first condition we get an equation as to solve for an elimination. This we have to change. So it will become a 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. So 9x, if you bring 20 here, it will become a minus 20, right? 9 minus 20x is a minus 11x, and 2y, 90y minus 2y is a minus, no, plus, right? Plus 88y is equal to 0. So now we divide by the 11, so we will get a minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. So we can simplify if it is everything is divided by the same number, right? And we can divide by the minus also. We will change entire sign. So x minus 8y is equal to 0. Let it be the equation 2. Now this is by solving the elimination method. So we have to change the any of the coefficients same. So here x and y, the coefficients are 1. So we can change easily. So here also x is 1, here is x is 1. Just by subtracting, we will get, right? So first we will write as the same. Second also we will write as the same. Just we are going to subtract here. X plus y is equal to 9. X minus 8y is equal to 0. While subtracting, while subtracting, the sign will change, minus, plus. The 0 doesn't have any sign, even it is not a problem. So x minus x is 0. Plus 1y plus 8 is a 9y. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So y is equal to 1, right? So y is also it's a tens place, right? We have to find a value of x. Substitute y is equal to 1 in any of the equation. Let me try in the first equation. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 9. So x plus, instead of the y I will place a 1. 1 is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 8. Right? 1 goes to minus here. Subtract, x is equal to 8. Therefore, what is the number? So here the word problem we will not stop at finding x and y. We have to write that. So they are asking find the number. The number is 10y plus 8. Therefore, number is 10y plus 8. That is equal to 10 into y is a 1 plus 8. So 10 into 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 is the number. So here we go for the next problem. Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. So find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So they are asking to how many notes in rupees 50 and rupees 100. So let me consider x is for 50 and y is for 100. Let the number of notes of rupees 50 be x. The same number of notes of rupees 100 be y. Clear? So first condition is, what is the first condition? Meena went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked a cashier to give her 50 and 100 rupees notes only. So 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes, right? So how many 50 rupees notes? X 50 rupees note she will be getting, and y 100 rupees note, right? So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000, right? So the number of note 50 is x number of notes she received for 50 and y number of notes she received for 100. So totally it will become a 2000. So this is the first condition. I think we can divide with the 50, right? We can simplify, we can divide with the 50. So it will become a 1x. Let me represent as an x plus here the 2y. 2000 is 200 bar 4 times, so 40. So simplified equation we will take as an equation 1. What about the second condition? Meena got 25 note in all. So 25 note in all. So number of she got a x number of 50 notes and y number of 50. So in all 25 note. That means x plus y is equal to 25. Equation 2. Clear? So here also you can see the coefficient of x are same. If it is not same, you have to multiply. So it is same. So we can just add or subtract. We will get, right? Otherwise, let me show one demo here. Just change the y value here. Just multiplying 2 here. So let me write our first equation as same. X plus 2y is equal to 40. You can change equation 2 into 2. Can change. So here become a 2y, we can divide. So it's no there's no constant, only we have to change x. We can change any variable. So 2 multiply with throughout the equation, it will become a 2x plus 2y is equal to 25 into 2 is 50. So here if we subtract only, we will get a cancel 0, right? So while subtracting, the every sign will change. While adding only, we will not change, but we have to subtract here. So everything will be changed. X minus 2x is a minus x, right? 1 minus 2. So careful on the sign always. Is equal to 40 minus 50 is a minus 10. So minus x is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to positive 10, right? So once you obtain the x value, that's x is the number of 50 rupees notes, then we have to find a y value. You can substitute in any equation. Let me go for a second equation. Substitute x is equal to 10 in equation 2. So you will be getting a 10 here. 10 plus y is equal to 25. 10 plus y is equal to 25. So y is equal to 25 minus 10. So y is equal to 50. Clear? So at last you have to write, right? The word problem, right? So therefore, number of notes of rupees 50 is 10, and number of notes of rupees 100 is 50. I hope you understand this method. Thank you.